Welcome, today I'm with JABRA 75T and I will show you how you can enable or disable sleep mode. So the first, you have to open JABRA Sound Plus application. You have to be connected with them and then tap on the settings icon in the right upper corner and go for the headset settings. Next, pick headset configuration and take a look right here. We got here the sleep mode. We can turn it off by select never enter sleep mode, and we can turn it on by picking one of these 15, 30, 1 or 2 hours. So I'm gonna turn it off, and after that we can just simply go back. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.